Hi, this is Miss Allred. I'd like to take a minute to share with you a really quick strategy that can be a great assistance on standardized math tests. One of the materials that you'll receive when you take your test is a piece of graph paper, much like this one. This is printed from greatlittleminds.com, very much like the graph paper you use for the test. If you're a student who tends to be slowed down by trying to remember your multiplication facts while you're testing, this graph paper can be your best friend. All you need to do is, as soon as you begin the test, make yourself a multiplication chart on this graph paper. Now, you can't bring a chart with you, but you are allowed to make your own once you start your test. Let me show you how. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, once your teacher tells you that you may begin testing, grab your piece of graph paper, start off at the top left corner, and let's make you a multiplication chart. Start with the number 1 and then just horizontally count up to 9. I wouldn't bother going higher than 9 because those multiplication facts you can figure out other ways. Now from the 1 I'm going to go vertically, counting up to 9 again. Not directly to 9, however. Now, I find it best for me if I go ahead and do the easy facts first. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in all my 2's because I know I just count up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I can also do the 2's horizontally the same way. The next set that I find to be particularly easy is the 5's, so I'm going to fill those in. And then vertically. And that leaves me just with a few that I really need to think about. So next I'll start with my 3's, and since I know that multiplication is just repeated addition, all I'm going to do is take the box to the left, add 3 to it to get my next answer. So it'll be 3, 6, 9, then 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Well, I did the 3's that way, I can go do them this way also, because I already have the answers. All right, next thing, I'm going to go to the 4's. This time I'm adding again, just adding 4 each time. And I can do the vertical for that same number. Excellent. I'm almost done now. All right, I'm going to my 6's, and again, it's repeated addition. So the 6 times 6, the next one is 36, and then 42, 48, and then 54. Fill those down also. Now the 7's, I only have to start with 7 times 7, which I know is 42 plus 7, 49. Then I'm going to be going to 56, and then plus 7 is 63. Excellent. I can do those 7's down as well. 56, 63. Just 4 more boxes to go now. All right, 8 times 8. We've got 64, 72 next. Do those down, 64, 72. Last one is my 9 times 9, which is 81. Now I have a perfect multiplication chart. When I get to a problem where I need to multiply, instead of spending my brain power to figure that out, I can just go say, oh, what is 7 times 8? Follow the lines, 56. I can use my brain power on solving the problem instead of figuring out my multiplication facts. It's a great strategy. Make sure you practice it some before test day.